In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Steelseries Arctis 7 to Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to properly connect your specific Arctis 7 model to an Xbox console and some things to consider. So first, if you have the SteelSeries Arctis 7X, which is designed for Xbox, you will be able to do this in the most convenient way possible, completely wirelessly, using the included USB dongle. However, if you have any of the other models that might not be designed for Xbox, while you will still be able to use it, you will have to do some sort of workaround, or there's no guarantee that a wireless connection is going to work. So keep all of that in mind. So first, if you have the Arctis 7X, there will be included a USB-C wireless dongle. All that you have to do is use the mode switch on the actual dongle, and you will be able to change it from USB to Xbox. So make sure that it is set up accordingly, and now you can use the provided USB-C to USB-A adapter cable to plug it into your Xbox. So using the USB-A to USB-C cable, you will be able to plug the dongle into the USB-C end, and then using the USB-A end, you will be able to connect it into any of the ports on your Xbox console. Now, if you power on the Arctis 7X, it is going to automatically pair itself up with the USB-C dongle, allowing you to use it completely wirelessly. And of course, you can charge it with the provided USB to USB-A cable. So as soon as it is sufficiently charged, you power it on and you put it in close proximity of the dongle, it is going to pair itself up automatically. Alternatively, if you have any of the other Arctis 7 models, usually you will have to connect it with a cable. So this will be done by plugging it into your controller with the included audio cable. So you will be able to plug one end of the cable into the headset, usually the micro USB end, and then the other one, which is the 3.5mm end, going into your controller. And this will also allow you to use the microphone and the headset. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 7 to Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.